All right, guys. Hey, I love getting questions because I love helping. But I had a question today. How do I like flying this Edge 540 by Tower Hobbies? And I told the guy I don't fly it that much because the battery, I haven't figured out a smooth system for it yet. That is just a kind of a pain in the butt. Well, here's what I've done with the battery, and I don't like it. This is some kind of a graphite carbon something battery tray for an RC car, I guess I found on Amazon. So I put the battery on the tray. I run this Velcro hook and loop tape all the way around on the back. All right, then I get to the plane and I've got this hook and loop tape and I've got to hold it out with my fingers, and then I run this in there, and I've got two I got two bind nuts, and they're little studs sticking out, and they catch right here on the battery tray on the other end. And then it goes down. You can see I got a wood block right there so it can't slide back. Then I take the hook and loop tape like this, and the wires, I'm not going to pull it real tight. And then I did that. And then the CG is right and stuff. But that's okay, but it's still time consuming. Now let me show you a better way. All right, same battery, different airplane. How about that? I made this. That's the sliding battery tray and rails that they slide in and out of. This is an FMS one, but several airplanes have that set up. You strap the battery to the tray and you slide it in, and you can buy just that. And here's the setup right here. P51D 1400 millimeter. So yeah, these are like, I don't know, $4.50, $5. And then I just made my own setup. I needed the weight up here anyways, so instead of putting some lead, put something that's practical. And I can take the cowl off and I can unscrew this and bring it out if I need to maintenance it. So until I get something figured out with the Edge, I don't fly it all that much. And this is how I put the SIG away. Just like that. Here's how we put the 540 away. Just like that.